What's going on, everybody? This is Mike from the Last Corvette. So, wanted to give you guys a little update when it comes to the Easy Go golf cart. I'm actually sitting in it right now. So this is year two, season two with the golf cart. It's a pretty solid unit. Now, when I purchased it, I've made a bunch of videos that I posted on this channel about this golf cart, improvements, replacing parts, stuff like that. But overall, I got lucky. The body's in really good shape. The frame is in really good shape. This golf cart, does really, really well. Now, the first thing that I did, obviously, was to remove the 6 volt batteries. Made a video about that, and I put three 12 volt batteries, Group 31 deep cycle batteries into this golf cart. And now it has 4 batteries. But regardless, one of the things that you never see when it comes to these conversions is people will do a video, they'll do a test drive, and then, crickets, right? So, like, what about season two, season three? So I'm going to do season two and do another range test. So with 3 batteries, I was getting between 12 and 14 miles from a full charge. I mean, it's not great, but also it works for me, right? This golf cart is used within the sub, on the trails, running up to the ponds, to fish, to the local parks, 7-Eleven, whatever, right? So I'm within range. I'm not really worried about it. I've always said that if you plan on, taking longer rides, or specifically if you're using it on a golf course, or you have like a cottage, either buy the real batteries, meaning that buy 6 volt batteries, you'll get about 24 to 25 miles. So essentially you're going to be gaining 10 miles of range. And those batteries will last longer. That's a proven fact. But of course, now you're looking at $800 plus to do that, or more. But go in gas. But yes, I'm going to fully charge it. Then I'm going to reset my phone, basically trip, and we're gonna do a full outing and see if the range is still the same. So that will be like a good measuring stick to show someone, like, hey, using it all last season, pretty much nonstop during the week and heavy on the weekends. And then obviously sitting over the winter, and then being recharged and utilized again this summer. So yeah, we'll do that, and that way you guys can kind of see, hey, is the range still the same? Did I lose a couple of miles? Did I gain a couple of miles? I'm assuming the batteries are fresh. I did check them right before fall. I topped them off with some distilled water, so I think they're going to be fine. I think I'm still going to get the same average, or the same range. And of course, I have 4 batteries now. So with 4 batteries, you're getting about 18 miles. And like I said, it's all based on the conditions, the road conditions. This one has a full windshield. So, like, is it windy outside? How many people you have on a golf cart? All that stuff comes into play. But another thing that I've been looking at is possibly getting a donor gas Ezgo, and then taking this body and transferring it onto the gas setup. And of course, the motor has to be good, the frame has to be good. I think that's like the cheapest way you can convert a golf cart electric to a gas. If like on these Ezgos, they made them both electric and gas. So I've started looking. I found one in Ohio. The guy wants $2,000. It's actually very clean. It doesn't have the back seat like this one. So it's just basically like a typical golf cart where you put the golf bags in the back. But I'm like, if I can take that body off, take this body and put it onto the gas frame or chassis, and then take that body, put it on this one, because the bodies are the same, the shells are the same. I can technically, possibly like break even. So buy it, convert this one, essentially this body, into a gas powered golf cart, and then sell the electric one. So sell this chassis, right, as electric with the 2-seater body. Maybe. Ohio is a little bit of a stretch for me. Gas is expensive. I would have to get a trailer. If I can find one local here in Michigan that like I said, it has to have good compression. The engine has to be running. And then, of course, the frame. Like this frame here is solid. The body is solid. So it has to make sense. But if I come across the right deal, I might take on this project. It's a lot of work. Taking these bodies off is not easy, but it's also not hard. It just takes time. So I would have to essentially remove the donor body first, and then transfer everything onto it from this golf cart, and then repeat the process again. But like I said, if all kind of works out, it might be like a wash, or I might be a couple $100s in, but still, that's a pretty good swap, because once you go gas, like my buddy has the same Ezgo golf cart, but it's gas, right? And it's faster, okay, and you also go further because now you're not relying on recharging your batteries, you're relying on just topping off your fuel. So yeah, we'll see. But anyway, the next video is going to be the range test again. Not this weekend. I was actually going to do it this weekend, but it's been raining. It's going to rain tomorrow, so sometime next week I will take this golf cart out, like I said, and see what we get. Do we get 14, 15, 17? We'll find out. Talk to you guys later.